Is AI taking over our jobs or businesses? That's a question everyone is asking. But some are afraid, some are excited. What about you? Are you afraid? Are you excited about AI? Is AI really taking over our job or our businesses? For me, AI isn't taking over our job. Take it from me, AI isn't taking over our job. Instead, AI is transforming our jobs and businesses. So, what is going to happen? Those who do not embrace AI would lose their job to those who embrace AI. In 2001 or 2000, I was a young girl in my 20s and I was working as a civil servant. I remember then I used to tell the typewriters, we had a lot of typewriters in the civil service then. I used to tell them, computer is taking over. Go and learn how to use a computer. It's taking over. I'll go to them, Auntie, computer is taking over. Go and learn how to use a computer. Some listen and some did not listen. And what happened? Computer did take over. Then in 2005, I read a statement for Bill Gates, and Bill Gates said, in 3 years' time, there will be two types of business owners, those doing business online and those out of business. And I started telling people, let's go online. Online is the new way. Let's take our business online. I was one of the first persons in Nigeria that was telling people, let's go online. Let's take our business online. I've been teaching online business since 2005 when I read that statement because I started doing my research on online businesses and I started teaching people online businesses. In 2020, a lot of people lost their jobs, businesses shut down, and people were in their homes. But it was a norm for some of us. It was actually a norm for me because I was working from home. I had been working from home for many years. In 2020, I made a lot. Like when people were losing, I made a lot of money. Of course, I made some mistakes in business as well that I will share with you some other time. But today we're talking about AI. Is it really taking over your job now? Is a tool. It's not our enemy. It's a tool for you and I to improve our business, to improve our productivity. First, let's look at the fear around AI. The fear is genuine. Chat GPT can write for you. I used I've been doing content writing for a long time, and of course, we do our reading, we do our copywriting, we do everything from we do our we do our writing, we do the copywriting. We studied for years to be able to do these things, and we have to look at we have to do a lot of thinking, a lot of analysis. We have to look at adverts, adverts from other people, a lot of things to be able to come, sit down, and do that content. But today, ChatGPT in 5 minutes can do what you want. Just give it the best prompt. So what you need to do now is to be the best person that can give ChatGPT the right prompt. Right? Ask the right question, give it the prompt, and you will get your content. So it can do the writing. Canva can do the design. AI can do a lot for us. In fact, a lot. A business can actually sack their staff and just get AI to do the job. You can actually sack your staff and get AI to do the job. Indeed, there is a need for us to be scared of AI. AI would only take over low entry jobs, maybe data entry, basic writing, customer service. But AI can't replace human. AI can't replace the it can't take over everything. It can't replace you as a writer. People say, as a lawyer, AI will take over. The accountant, AI can take over now. AI would help you work faster, better productivity. What you need to do at this point is to learn how to embrace AI, no matter what you're doing. For those who are virtual assistants, how do you embrace AI so that you become an AI consultant? Instead of being afraid that you're going to lose your job, look at what can I do with AI? That is what you should be thinking of at this point. So the question is, ask yourself, What opportunity is AI bringing my way? How is AI going to help me add more value to myself? Look at it. Calculator came. Did you replace mathematicians? No. Microsoft Word came. Did you replace writer? No. It made publishing easy. Same way, AI is in next leap. A marketer who knows how to use AI can do 10 campaigns while the traditional marketer is just doing one. A teacher who knows how to do AI can customize lesson notes for each student. A writer who knows how to use AI can get his book out faster. You can get your book edited even by AI. So AI is indeed your friend. What jobs can AI not replace? AI can't replace leadership. It can't replace wisdom, connectivity, human connectivity. It can't replace creativity, empathy. AI can write, but it can't talk your story. It can't talk about the depth of your story the way you will talk about it. AI can give answers. It can give wisdom. AI can reason, but it can't get the human connection. You as a leader can connect to your team. So, what can make you AI proof? Professionals are asking that question. What can make me AI proof? What can make you AI proof? Empathy, leadership, your human connection, how you do your own thing. AI can't replace you as a human being. AI can't replace that. So, how do we prepare? One, learn AI tools. Like I always say, AI is not your enemy, it's your friend. Learn the tools, ChatGPT, Jasper, Canva, Midjourney. Learn the tools that help you get better in your field. Two, combine AI with whatever you're doing. Whether you're a coach, consultant, you're a writer, whatever business you're doing, a teacher, whatever business or job you're doing, AI can help you deliver more value. It can help you work faster. It can help you be more productive. So embrace AI. Three, position yourself as a thought leader. In every industry, there's a gap right now. People who can explain AI and help others apply it. You want to step into that gap. Four, keep growing human skills, communication, strategic thinking, emotional intelligence, leadership. AI can't replace that. So grow your skills in this area and learn how to communicate more, learn how to connect more. We need people who are connecting to us. Okay. So is AI taking over your job? The answer is if you let it be. Those who are bold will take over the future with AI. Those who embrace AI are the people that will take over the future. Where would you be? You want to fight AI or you want to embrace AI? You want to fight the change or you want to embrace the change? Dinosaur refused to embrace the change and it went into extinct. So, do you want to be a dinosaur? Would you want to go into extinct or you want to be there in the future? If you don't want to miss out, you want to subscribe to this channel because over the next few weeks, I'll be showing you how AI can help you write books, grow your business, make money in this new era of digital economy, add more value to yourself, become more productivity. Let's work together in this AI revolution. Let's embrace AI together and dig deep into this AI together. So you don't want to miss the videos be tuning out. I will try my best to make it daily in this month of September because I want you to embrace the change, just the way I shouted years ago and told all those aunties, I was quite young, and told those aunties, go and start learning how to use computer because typewriter is going to take over. And of course, about 20 years ago, I was shouting to Nigerians, telling Nigerians and Africans, embrace the internet. Online business is the thing. Right now, I'm here to tell you that AI is here to take over. And are you ready? Yes, that's why you must stay on this channel. Subscribe now. Click on the notification button so that whenever I post a video, you'll be the first to see it. And share with your loved ones. Don't leave them behind. Don't be the only one that knows about it in your circle. Share with your loved one. I appreciate you for staying with me and continue to watch the channel. So always remember that we are today's leaders.